Hello everyone! Are you wondering what Librafluid means? Let's explore. Librafluid is a non-binary gender identity where a person's gender fluctuates, with one part of their identity remaining constant while another part changes. The Libra in Librafluid suggests a balance or weighing between genders, where the individual might feel a stable connection to one gender while experiencing shifts in another aspect of their gender identity. This identity is part of the broader gender fluid spectrum, offering a specific way to describe the experience of having both a consistent and variable gender identity. In essence, being Librafluid is about having a gender identity that is both stable and fluid, with one part of the identity anchored while the other part shifts. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.